sine function, cosine function, tangent function, trig. I remember SOHCAHTOA since we learned it in 8th grade. It is made up of sine, cosine, and tangent. Sine, of course, is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is across from the angle. Adjacent is the side next to the angle. Hypotenuse is longest side of the triangle. All of these are big parts of trigonometry. Sine theta squared plus cosine theta squared equals 1. Sides are line segments in the triangle. Angles are where two sides meet in the triangle. Calculator in degrees. Radian doesn't work for me. Trigonometry, the geometry of triangles. Sit down. Do some trig mathematics. Sit down. Do some trig mathematics, 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 sit down. To find the missing side, you have to do some steps. First you need one side and one angle. Then you need the proper trig function. Apply the equation to the right triangle. Period to be hatin' all day long. If in a fraction x is numerator, then you multiply the answer by the known side. If x is denom, divide known side by the answer. Trig is way too crazy, if you have two sides, and you need an angle, do the inverse function, cat is in a tree, we know height of tree, we know length of tree, and we need the angle, so we use inverse tangent to find the angle, so we know what angle to put the ladder at, so we can and will bring down the cat at, period 2 is jealous after all. Do some trig mathematics, sit down. 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 Do some trig mathematics, sit down.